Hello and welcome to How to Webmaster. Today grab this free Kindle Money ebook. How to make money with self-publishing your own books on Amazon Kindle. See the download link below. Learn everything you need to know about creating and selling your own digital books on Kindle. Kindle is one of the best ways to make a passive online income. Why is that? There are no prerequisites holding you back from getting started on Kindle. You don't need any prior online marketing experience to get big results with Kindle. You can literally have your first book up on Kindle earning you money within a matter of days. Kindle is already a huge book marketplace and getting bigger. Now is the time to get started and create an income that can continue to pay you for many years to come. In this completely free ebook guide, learn how to get started with Kindle self-publishing. Inside this guide you will discover how to get started with Kindle even if you've never made a penny online before, how to choose your perfect niche to focus on when you're getting started with Kindle, why just any niche will not work, and the niches that you should avoid getting into, the things you must include in your book to interest your readers, and make sure your book gets accepted into the Kindle marketplace. If you don't want to write your books yourself, that's not a problem. You'll discover how to easily and affordably outsource the creation of your books. Learn about the easy ways to get content for your books when you follow this simple blueprint. Learn about the proper Kindle book formatting, how to create your book's listing and cover image for the maximum exposure and sales on Kindle, why pricing is one of the biggest factors to your success and failure on Kindle. You'll learn the proper pricing strategy that works the best and what you should avoid, how to successfully market your Kindle book for increased traffic, attention, and more sales, plus a whole lot more. Check out the direct download link below to this completely free guide. As always, you can access this free guide with no sign-up required, no upsells, no strings attached. Thanks so much for viewing. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster YouTube channel for more free internet marketing content. Thanks again, and happy publishing.